What have I done? My hands on the camera. I've never had that. So, yeah, they removed the name of Salt Tenerife.
No, I think it's there.
Huh?
But it just feels so visible. I don't know why we can see it this time.
Have you taken a picture
No.
to show that? How are you
I
gonna?
can take it.
There's no sign there.
I'll zoom in.
Yeah.
Can we go here?
It's alright, I'm filming. This thing it just. Climb. Climb del Muerte. Oh, I hope it's. You can take the beach club there. Oh. So
For your glasses, huh?
yeah, it's a small glass, but it's a small bag as well. These are our ski bags. You think our ski bags are bigger than this? The backpack.
You can climb up there to hold stairs.
It's okay. I've already done worse. And qualified for longer stairs and high stairs. Did you watch with me the video on the Jardin Tropical? No, probably not. As long as we have the battery, we're fine. Because after beer, we are likely to want to stop somewhere.
Mathieu, merci.
Mathieu, comment Mathieu?
Some people think, I think that could be an artistic picture with these spikes in it. Let me see what I can do with it.
Takes so much time. the newer cameras are even more justified. You see what they are trying to build? There will be another terrace at that level.
Or maybe just a lift.
No, there are chairs there.
Ah, yeah. And a lift from the hotel up to that terrace.
Yes. So it's, yeah, it will be interesting. Hopefully next summer. Yeah, or next winter. But I guess you need to live around here. But what I saw is that behind here, there's also another beach club where you could go for the day beyond these buildings. That's a tough one. A really tough one. But yeah.
There's communities up a bit here too. I mean, it's still
yeah. But it's really looking for someone to splash.
Yeah.
I mean, COVID didn't help though, to be honest. You know, so if you win the lottery, you have enough money to build something as impressive as you would want it to be. It's confusing to people when they keep hiding faces as if they were criminals hiding in Spain. That's the only trouble I might run into. That if somebody who didn't want to be found out.
Yeah, it is a terrace.
So they're planning a bar. I think it's almost ready, because it says
I'm not using it yet. Maybe the lift needs to be installed.
Well, they have ice cream already and cups for drinks. Yes.
Or maybe it's already.
And opens at night. Because I was always wondering, someone staying here doesn't have much in terms of social. That's like Cuban music. Are we going straight?
Yeah, keep going. You can see that your
Essential.
Yeah.
Essential.
That's alright for you.
Yeah, my back hurts a bit. We're just getting past our prime. But it's definitely, you might not see what I see. It's more crowded today than it used to.
I don't see anything.
Yeah?
Unless I go and look.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. That's human, isn't it? You want, oh, why am I missing out? They are creating a FOMO. You have to pay first to enter. I just stopped now.
Hanno preso
Visit that.
Sorry. What's the condition now? Have they changed anything? You want to see the dishes? Can come here for lunch? What can you eat here? Chocos. Wow,
Here is your
take
fish.
A picture of the
dorada, this is a sea bream.
This is nice, I think. You got a breeze here. Alright. Wanna sit here?
At the 10 o'clock?
Huh?
At the 10 o'clock?
Yeah. For free.
No, this is called 10
I
o'clock.
thought it was. Yeah. It's only 3 p.m.
Let's see one of these some shopping.
Shopping.
You wanted to buy a backpack? Although I don't think you need a backpack. I think you'll find everything. Is there something you have not brought that you would have wished to fill abroad
I don't know.
on this day trip?
I